Hello everyone. What is the GDP of Austria? GDP means the total value of goods and services a country produces. Austria's nominal GDP is about 579.9 billion US dollars, showing a large economy in Europe. With a population of about 9 million people, Austria's GDP per person is roughly 64,000 US dollars. This high figure shows that the economy produces a lot of value for its population. Austria is a wealthy, developed country, but its economy is smaller than Germany, France, Italy, and the United Kingdom. Important parts of the economy include manufacturing, tourism, finance, and services. Austria makes cars, machines, metal products, chemicals, and other industrial goods. Tourism also brings many visitors to cities, lakes, and alpine ski areas. Services such as banking, transport, trade, and public services provide many jobs. Recent economic growth has been weak, with some periods of decline linked to high costs and lower demand. Even so, Austria remains closely connected to European trade, especially through the European Union. Its purchasing power GDP can look higher because local prices are compared more fairly. These figures show why Austria has a strong GDP per person, even though its total economy is not among the world's largest. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.